Japanese beef stew, or gyuniku no stew, first emerged around the late 19th century during the Meiji Restoration, that's 1868 to 1912, when the Western cuisine started influencing Japanese food culture. Sometimes Japanese beef stew reminds you of Mount Fuji with its creamy brown and white bits, don't you think? Well, maybe if you look real close and lick your lips. Nah, just kidding. I'm TokyoPaul. I'll show you what's so great about Japanese stew. Let's cook it. Take a moment to review the list of ingredients. The second page are the ingredients to make the sauces. Cut the beef into cubes and tenderize it. Put the beef in a plastic bag. Grate the onion. Pour the grated onion and liquid into the plastic bag. Point here is that onions contain proteolytic enzymes which break down the protein in the beef to make it more tasty. Add 150 milliliters of red wine. Adding red wine helps the meat retain more water, so the meat will be more juicy and tender to the palate, and it has tannins, which helps remove the smell of the meat. Put the plastic bag into the refrigerator for 1 hour to marinate. Now peel and slice the carrots. Next, slice the mushrooms. And now slice the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Here you go, the results should look like this. Bite-sized pieces of vegetables. Next, we slice the garlic into small pieces. In the next step, we drain the meat and wipe off all moisture. Make sure to keep the liquid in the plastic bag for the sauce later. Now we dust and cover the meat with flour. We flip and cover the other side with flour too. Now let's melt the butter over medium heat in a pot. Add the sliced garlic. Brown the beef in low to medium heat for 2 minutes on each side. As mentioned, flip and brown the other side. Add the chopped carrots and mushrooms and put them into the pot. Now we add the marinated red wine and onion liquid from the plastic bag in the refrigerator and put that into the pot. Measure out 400 milliliters of water and add that to the pot. Add a bay leaf. Slice the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. And add the potato slices into the stew. Add the sliced broccoli into the pot. Add 1 can, which is 290 grams of demi-glace sauce, into the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Add 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add a little bit of salt. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Add a teaspoon of consommé granules. Stir and cook for 1 hour on medium heat. Let's plate the dish and make it look tasty. To add depth to the dish and a dash of flavor, add a spoonful of heavy cream for your best Japanese beef stew. There you have it, Japanese beef stew, and ready to eat. 食べましょう。いただきます。